Today I'll explain theorem 9.2. Two triangles on the same base or equal base and between the same parallels are equal in area. So given is triangle ABC and triangle DBC are on the same base BC and between the same parallels your AD and BC. So given is triangle ABC and triangle DBC are on the same base BC and between the same parallels BC and AD. To prove is area of the two triangles are equal. So area of triangle ABC, that is equals to area of triangle DBC. So for this we have to do the construction. The construction is draw CN parallel to AB and your BM parallel to CD. So here construction is draw BM parallel to CD and CN parallel to AB. Yes, it intersects. What we have to do? We have to extend this AD to the extended AD line. Now see the proof. In the quadrilateral ABCN, ABCN, your AN is parallel to BC. This is given. And CN is parallel to AB. That is by construction. Okay. Therefore, ABCN is a parallelogram. Similarly, your BM is parallel to CD by construction and DM is parallel to BC. So this implies BCDM is a parallelogram. When the opposite sides of a quadrilateral is parallel, it is a parallelogram. Now, both the parallelogram, which one? ABCN and the parallelogram BCDM. They have the same base BC and they are between the same parallel BC and MN. Both the parallelogram ABCN and BCDM has same base BC and between same parallels BC and MN. Therefore, area of the two parallelograms should be equal. Okay. Now, in the parallelogram ABCN, AC is the diagonal, and as we know, diagonal divides a parallelogram into two congruent triangles. So area of ABC, that is the half the area of the parallelogram ABCN. AC is the diagonal of parallelogram, which one? ABCN. Therefore, area of ABC, that is half the area of the parallelogram, which one? ABCN. Why? Because diagonal divides a parallelogram into two congruent triangles, and two congruent triangles has equal area. Or you can write diagonal divides a parallelogram into two triangles of equal area. Similarly, area of the triangle, which one? DBC, that is half the area of the parallelogram, which one? BCDM. Okay, so from first, second and third, from first, second and third, what we get? Area of ABC, that is equals to area of DBC. This was to prove. Now, in the theorem it was that if the two triangles has equal base also, so thus in the parallelogram, as the opposite sides are equal, means these two triangles has equal base, and they are between the same parallel lines AB and BC. In parallelogram, the base of the two triangles are equal. Base are equal and the altitude is also equal. So area of ADC, that is equals to area of ABC, and area of ADC, that is equals to half the area of the parallelogram, because a diagonal divides a parallelogram into two triangles of equal area. So area of one triangle will be half the area of the parallelogram, and this is equals to half into DC into AN, that is the altitude. So it is area of ADC, that is equals to half into base DC into altitude AN. Now, theorem 9.3. It is converse of theorem 9.2. Two triangles having the same base or equal base and equal area lies between the same parallel line. Okay, so in this theorem is if the two triangles has base same and equal area, then the two triangle must lie between the same parallel line. This is the converse of theorem 9.2. Now see the another one, example 3. So that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. So it is given is ABC is a triangle in which AD is the median. Okay, let us draw the triangle. This is A, B, C, and AD is the median. Draw the altitude of on the side BC, means perpendicular on the side BC. Let it be AM. To prove is area of the triangle ABD, that is equals to area of the triangle ACD. So construction is here. Draw AM perpendicular on BC. Now see the proof. Area of the triangle ABD, that is equals to half into BD into AM. That is your half into base into height. And this is equals to half into DC into AM. Why? Because AD is the median. So BD equals to DC. And half DC into AM, that is equals to area of ACD. Half base into height, that is area of ACD. Therefore, area of ABD, that is equals to area of ACD. Or we can say a median divides a triangle into two triangles of equal area.